Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. If you're tired of scrolling through endless email threads and want to streamline your inbox, this is the feature for you. Follow these simple steps to enable Conversation View. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by entering your credentials. Step 2. On the top right corner, locate and click on the Settings gear icon. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. Select See All Settings at the top. Step 4. Now, scroll down until you find the Conversation View section. Click on it. Step 5. Finally, click on the switch next to Conversation View On to enable this feature. Enabling Conversation View will group related emails into conversations, making it easier to follow and respond to messages. You'll no longer have to search through your inbox for individual emails. It's a time-saving feature that enhances your email management experience. That's it. You've successfully turned on Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. Enjoy a more organized and efficient email experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.